Today I will make a simple square bag from leftover yarn with my own design. Knit the first row. Second row, knit across, working the 3 center stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 stitches together and continue 9 stitches. On the wrong side, knit all stitches. In every right side row, knit the 3 center stitches together. Last row, work 3 stitches together. Now work with the second color. Cast on 10 stitches at the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1. Then cast on 10 more stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are 20 stitches plus 1 on the needle, and work first row knit. Now we have finished the second square, and I cast on 20 stitches along the edge. 20 plus 1, 10 stitches, and then 10 stitches. Now we have 20 stitches plus 1 on the needle. And continue knitting the third square in the same way. On the right side, work 3 center stitches together. I have knitted 7 squares in this sequence of colors. Turn to the wrong side. Using the third color, knit in this section and in this section. One here, 2 here, and 1 here. With the third color, knit in this section. cast on 10 stitches. And then cast on 11 stitches with the same color. Continue knitting following the same pattern. Knit first row, continue the pattern in the right side, work 3 center stitches together. Now I have 11 squares in 3 colors. Attach the next square in this part with the opposite orientation. Take the second color. Cast on 11 stitches, 10 plus 1. And now pick up from this edge 10 stitches. And now knit the square the same way as the previous squares. Now it looks like this. Now take the last first color and knit in these spots. 1, 2, 3. Cast on 21 stitches here. And now knit the square. Here 3 stitches together. This is how the flat pattern of the back looks. It's the wrong side. Now we need to fold it this way. Now we just need to sew the back and it's ready. So the back is finished. Wishing you the best of luck with your knitting.